Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a tree map plot in OriginPro software. So this is a data set for the creating the tree map plot in the OriginPro software. We take the two variables, the first one variable for the temperature and the different temperature and the population count for the data set. So the go to the OriginPro software. So this is for the Treemap Plot app. The how to install this app? Go to the OriginPro website. The link mentioned to the URL link mentioned to the this video description box. So go to the login the sections, login your ID, and go to the download for click to the download for the button. Download the Treemap Plot. So under the download after the then track and trap into the OriginPro workspace. The icon will appear in the app gallery window. So the app gallery windows appear in the icon. So now the before the change to the some setting for the tree map plot. So the go to the A column menu and right click, change to the set as click to the set as and change to the Y. So the double Y is a variable and right click for the menu, go to the view options and add to the category. Okay, the add to category, the column double click, then click to the open. Okay, so the unstored options open, then go to click to the OK button. Now the data to copy paste to the workspace. So go to the Excel sheet and copy the title, paste, and next of all the data copy. Okay, the copy the data, paste. Okay, now the data is pasted. Now the created for the tree map plot. So the click to the tree map plot app, then open the new tab for the plot tree map. So the recalculated option is a manual. This is standard. Now for the column for label options. So the don't use for the arrow symbol. The directly select for the data because some errors. So the select for the workspace button. Select to the temperature and next go to the column for size. Choose the options and select to the species population count. So the next for column for ordering, select to the same temperature and the column for coloring change to the species population count. So select. Then this is for the standard setting, so don't change it. So then click the OK button. Okay, now the creating the heat map for the OriginPro software. So the now the customized for the tree map plot. So the double click or right click for your mouse, go to the plot properties. So the this is for the plot properties options. Okay, go to the color map sections. Okay, then color changing options, the use for the pencil symbol. So click to the fill options, loading plates and select the plate and select for the colors. Then click to the OK, then apply. Now the change to the color. If you want any other color, select to the change to the any other color. So change any one color. Okay, now the change the color. Okay, now the next one for the edit for the level options. So click to the level options. So the minimum population count for 10,300 and maximum 4,300. So the major level change to the 10, then total level change to the automatically 10. So the 10, then click to the OK. Okay, now the some options for the customized in the color bar. So the select for the black color for the high less than 10,300. Then click to the fill color options black. Then click to the eye drop buttons. Select to the color same color. Then click to the OK. Then apply the same color apply for the less than 10,000. So then higher than 40,300 options. Select to the color. Select to the options. Select to the eye drop buttons. So 40,000 change. Then apply. less than option selected, I drop color, change the color, then apply. Okay, now the customized color, and double click for the color map. Okay, open the new tab for the color scale control. So go to the label options, unclick for the auto, the display sections, auto the unclick for the checkbox, and the display for the dynamical change to the 1K options. Then click the apply. Okay, now the change to the options. Then go to the level and fill the color options, label, and the title. Show the options. Okay, this is for the color map. Change to the time Roman 14. Okay, color map. Okay, now the select for the temperature value and go to the directly change to the font. Don't use for the plot properties options. So select to the time Roman and font size for the 14 and click to the bold. Okay, if you want change to the color, choose options. If you want change to the color white color, change to the white color. If you want the black color, change to the black color. Okay, bold. Okay, this is for the tree map plot in the OriginPro software, because the lowest population for the blue color and highest population say maroon color. So the high temperature increased, the population decreased, and the lowest temperature population lowest population, and the middle population for the middle color, the 25 to and 25 to 32, that highest population percent in uh, the temperature. The view on the data visualization for the color is highest population in the maroon color and the lowest population in the blue color. So this is for the creating the heat map options. If you any doubt on this video, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will help you. And if you like the channel video, click to the subscription button and support me, join to our channel membership. Okay, thank you for watching this video.